Hi, you're here with Southwire Tools and Assembly Products, and today we're going to look at one of our battery operated work lights. So we call this the LED folding light. It's fully rechargeable, battery is integrated, it's a lithium ion battery, so it's very lightweight. The folding light folds shut to protect the lens and folds open to reveal the two sides of the work light. But like I mentioned, it folds shut to protect the lens, which is the most important aspect, because once it's folded, the lens is fully encapsulated and can't be damaged during transit. So if we look at the light, it folds open and then you've got 3 different light modes. The product, as I mentioned, is fully rechargeable. So that's where you're going to input the charges into, and then you do have the protector there. The LED folding light is IP65 rated, so it's been tested to water under pressure. So water ingress is not going to be an issue when using this outdoors. I mentioned that the product's rechargeable. In every single package, we include the car charger, and we also include the mains charger, and that all comes with the price. Now we'll talk about the mounting options for the LED folding light. A lot of people choose to use it as a floor light, so they just use the ratcheted heads to fix the beam angle, just depending on how and what you're trying to light up. Then you can also use the tripod accessory that is sold in every box. It's not an extra part, it's sold in every box. And you install the tripod accessory, this little ratchet here, you just screw it into any tripod, which is sold separately. You can order the Southwire tripod, part number is 311001. Or if you have an existing tripod, this is a threaded nut, and then that just screws into your tripod. And then once that's in there, you just slide it into the hole that's in the handle. Now you've got yourselves a dual head tripod but with no cords. So very handy. And then easy just to slide off. And then again, easy to floor light. Just finally, before once you finish with your job, it's got the clip at the end, and then very easy just to slide underneath your truck or wherever you're going to store it, and then you're on to the next job. If you do have any questions, please reach out to your local customer service rep from Southwire or your local Southwire salesperson. Thank you.